Have you ever heard of the open box or closeout section of our website over at morimotolighting.com? If not, or even if so, head on over there to check out some of the items we have available. Open box products are products that have been returned to us for various reasons, and oftentimes, these products haven't been installed. The box was just opened and returned to us. One of the most obvious ways to save money when shopping with us is in this section. We've got things like headlights, taillights, and even smaller parts. With things like the headlights, they're graded by a specific team of individuals here that go through every item thoroughly to make sure you get what's advertised. A grade A unit is going to come basically just like new. These units will come wrapped, and you can even see that they're just like new when you take it off. One of the big differences when you go to the B grade, besides the price, is that you're obviously going to notice a little bit of installation marks. There might be some love on the lens a little bit. There might be some adjusters with scuffs on them. There might be some scratches in the lens, but otherwise it's going to install and function perfectly. It's not all about headlights. We also do tail lights with the same level of grading for A grade and B grade. And there's even smaller parts that lack the grading, but we do still have the same team that goes through and tests for functionality. So you can get things like LED headlight bulbs, LED side markers, projectors, really you name it, just stuff that might be slightly used at a discounted price. With both the A grade and the B grade lights, you're going to get a 1-month warranty. So if you're looking for a great way to save some money on the Morimoto products that you love, check out the A grade and the B grade. If you want something just like new, maybe lean towards the A grade. If you're okay with a little bit of handling, a little bit of installation marks, go with the B grade. Either way, head over to morimotolighting.com to save now.